If there was an easy way to capture creative photos that made people gasp and say, wow, how do you take that? Would you be interested?
It's completely unlike the photography you already know and love.
This is where you can start to get creative.
Wow, it gets more and more interesting every single shot.
It's going to require a good amount of experimentation.
What you want to do is you want to mix movement and still life.
And I was on the homepage of the Daily Mail for a trick photography effect like this.
And in this video, we're going to show you how to do it. And good fun to do as well. Now, don't be intimidated. I know it looks like a lot of equipment, but really it's quite simple.
When you're starting out with creative photography, the average project seems like more trouble than it's worth.
So a bit of arts and crafts right now. I was never very good at making stars in school.
But the truth is, with some basic gear and a little know-how, it could all be so simple. For creativity to start to flow, you have to have a concept, an idea of what you want to capture.
You can take great photos with really basic gear. You don't need to worry about splashing cash on some really fancy stuff. Now, let's just finally talk about how we're going to shoot this. 3, 2, 1. This is great.
You can get creative,
but you can see the results here. You can make dramatic changes. It's all about trial and error and getting a result that you're happy with. The whisk, though, that's kind of an unfamiliar tool to be using with photography. So now that I have that set up, I'm going to do something that might surprise you. Let's shoot. It's because I'm trying to make it as abstract as possible. It's very impressive still, but we are expert photography, so I thought I'd go the extra mile and I'll show you how to do this. And although it looks really dangerous, it's a great way to create otherworldly effects in your photographs.
Simple at-home setups produce the best results.
And at the end, I ran round, I picked them all up, and I threw them out of the frame.
That's how we did it.
Don't be too put off by the safety warnings in this video. It is quite easy and it's very fun, and it produces some really awesome results.
There's never been an easy or affordable way for regular people to master creative trick photography. Until now.